Okay, we're going out to Anakie. We're going on a bit of a Fossicking education morning.
Just fine who I am. I'm looking at
It's called, what's it called again?
Fossicking Fun Day.
Fossicking Fun Day at Anakie. It's $60 a head. He supplies everything except for your beverages and your food, so you got to bring that along, and also includes your Fossicking license as well. So a little bit of education, and it's dog friendly as well.
They said we could bring Rubyvale.
that reminds my blood to come alive.
Yeah, we can bring Rubyvale. She's sleep, getting ready for the big day out.
With these worn out shoes, there's no place for my bag. I'm heading out.
Here we are starting our tour, following the troop along to wherever old mate's taken us to teach us how to fossick in the wild.
It widens all the time. It's the first soft light of the shy desert morning that reminds my blood to come alive. Don't take me downtown. Oh no, I've been away for too long. Don't make my bed,
That gravel or wash layer starts a couple of centimetres under
cause
the
I'm seeing
topsoil
it through this time.
down to the soft
My own company, and as a way back to your heart, well, it widens all the time. It's the first soft light of the shy desert morning that reminds my blood to come alive. Don't take me down to I've been waiting all night, so come on.
There you go.
You're caught. Do you want me to just chuck that end bit in? Can we chuck that end bit in? Oh, there's more in there. I'll just do one more bit, eh?
Okay. Well, the little one, what I'm doing, this one holds a lot of water. Otherwise it won't drain.
You gotta shake it more, babe.
I was supposed
Too
to
muddy.
wash it.
Didn't you rinse?
No, I didn't.
Where's the demo, mate?
Oh,
Give it a rinse. Drain the water. Next one. Fill it up again. Put that on top. Shake it up.
Come here. Sorry. Good shaky shake. Put a bit more elbow grease because they're really muddy, you can't see them. Beg your pardon? Come here, Ruby.
Have a good look. There's your iron. Quartz. Some jumping here.
Oh, there's a little frog in there.
yeah. Look, you concentrate.
Nothing in there. Get back in there. Give it a rinse, mate. Straight in and straight out.
Here we go. Alright, give us a look.
No diamonds, babe? Right here. Keep it just a closer. Hey, Ruby. You make it go up in the air?
Down by the river, where the moon shines bright, we were dancing, catching fireflies at night. Guitars were strumming, banjos were playing.
Have you got the remote, babe?
Hearts were swaying.
I thought you could make it go up and get an aerial shot. That'd be nice. Of the area.
We were young and wild, oh so carefree. Southern love and bluegrass by the sea. Sipping on sweet tea, barefoot in the sand. Giggling and whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains. Sipping on sweet tea, barefoot in the sand. Giggling, whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains. All the summer nights and bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree. Southern rock and bluegrass by the sea. All those summer nights and bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. sweet tea, barefoot in the sand, giggling and whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains. Though I just met you,
Hard work,
possible pictures of two framed on my wall. I've waited and I think you're the one.
So a few hours digging out at Anackie Fossicking field in Queensland, Central Highlands. Got a few little colours there. Oopsie. And some ironstone and spinel. He's trying to escape.